Oh, it's on fire.
Hill lawnmower. Gas is going. Thomas. Dead. Oh, I need a poor one. Thomas.
A lot of race fuel in there late at night still.
Oh, really? Forgot about that. That thing's still going. Boom! Oh God, the cap's closed. It's gonna explode.
Got a vent.
You might want to step back. Dad. It's pressurized. Yeah. Okay. Thomas, lawnmower got a little hot.
Just a little.
Yeah, overheated a tiny bit.
We're shooting flames out of it now.
Oh yeah. The ultimate backfire gone wrong.
What you do when it's all done cooking, you take it up to Freddie and say, "This thing overheated, Freddie, can you fix it?"
It's still going, Dad. Firewood.
High performance.
Yeah, it's still going. Just realized we wasted that fuel.
No, we didn't. It's going to a good cause.
Going. Wait! It's going into Mark II.
Yeah, a couple minutes, bro.
We're blowing up the lawnmower.
Warming the lawnmower up to mow the lawn.
Yeah, we're warming it up. Just a little bit. Might want to put this in. Okay, that's it.
You're on fire.
Shut up. I thought maybe if it was such a little fire.
John.
Damn it. Thomas.
John.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Go let yourself on fire again.
Is that what you guys wanted to say?
Thomas. Damn it.
Go light yourself on fire. The magic.
Yeah. Hey. I can't stop it. It kept going. Right, Thomas? Yeah, they were just warming it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm put on YouTube, warming up the lawnmower.
Warming the mower up.
Thomas, I kept kicking the fire.
You kept lighting on fire.
Yeah, I set my boot on fire.
Do you want me to clean the carburetor?
Yeah.
Dad, we need to do an oil change on it.
Smells good. It smells like Mojo.
Yeah. I wonder who put the Mojo in.
They got Austin Powers. Yeah, baby.
That's the gas. Is that the gas coming out?
Yeah, that's a vent.
I think that's the water coming out of the bottom end.
Yeah, it's supposed to be oil.
The Mojo.
Yeah, Mojo coming out. I don't think it's gonna have.
Go open the gas cap.
No thanks.
Boom. Oh.
It's just to make dinner. Let's go up and eat.
Is it warmed up yet?
No, not quite. Let's see.
You have to hit the gas tank.
Thomas.
Make sure you hit the gas tank with it.
Ankles. Look. Push it on. That worked.
It's starting to rain now.